Hey guys, Tony here from TonyTechBytes, and today we're building another PC for a customer. I'm not going to go over the full walkthrough in this video, so I'm not going to go over every single step. This video, I guess, is going to be more of a cinematic piece. I'm probably not going to do a voiceover or talk over this. I just want to put all the clips together, sort of like a montage. Before we start, I want to mention that I linked all the parts in the description down below. For your convenience, they are affiliate links, so I do earn a tiny bit of commission from them. And also, I wanted to say the customer is not overclocking. I am not overclocking. Our warranty does not cover overclocking. So obviously these parts aren't the absolute best quality, and they don't really have to be, because if you aren't a super power user, you don't plan on overclocking to 5 GHz on every single core, it doesn't matter. I mean, sure, you can get lower thermals with better VRM heat sinks, you can get better cooling with a different AIO, you can get 2% better power efficiency with a better power supply from Seasonic or an 80 plus titanium power supply. That stuff just does not matter for a customer who wants to just create content, play video games, no overclocking. For the motherboard, we chose an Asus RG Strix B550F with Wi-Fi. It has Ryzen 3000 support out of the box, and if you're not planning on overclocking, you don't entirely need an MSI X570 godlike motherboard. For the CPU, we chose the Ryzen 9 3900X, 12 cores, 24 threads. RAM, we chose Corsair 32GB of 3200 MHz, 2x16 GB of Vengeance RGB Pro in the white color. And someone's going to comment, why didn't you get 3600 MHz? And the reason for that is you can't find 3600 MHz in stock anywhere. I don't even think it's an option for this specific kit, which the customer wanted. The customer chose the NZXT Kraken Z63 for the CPU cooler. I know there are better options out there in terms of price to performance, but the customer wanted the customizable LCD display, and you have to admit it does look really good. For the power supply, Asus sent over the Asus RG Strix 850W 80 Plus Gold power supply a couple months ago, and 80 Plus Gold rating is more than fine for power efficiency, especially for a build like this. Especially if you're not overclocking, 850 watts is enough headroom for this build. For the SSD, chose a 970 EVO Plus from Samsung. It's a 1TB NVMe SSD. I hear PCIe 4.0 is kind of gimmicky right now, and it isn't really necessary for most people. And the only 2080 Super in stock at the time of purchase, the EVGA RTX 2080 Super KO. As a reminder, COVID-19 is still a prevalent issue, especially in the US, where cases are the highest in the world. Keep in mind, most prices are still inflated, and there are many stock shortages. So if you have any suggestions, make sure to find something that's actually in stock, something that you can actually purchase right now. Also, if you're going outside, please wear a mask. I just want to quickly interrupt this video right here to say that we finished this PC build a day before Gamers Nexus launched a video about correctly mounting AIOs. In case you didn't watch the video, Steve from Gamers Nexus basically said the correct way to mount an AIO is to have the tubes at the bottom of the radiator. This will increase longevity for the AIO as well as reduce pump noise.